Welcome back. Myself, Professor Bhushan Tade from KK College of Horticulture. So, today we will learn about classification of flowers. Classification of floriculture products for trade. Floricultural products are classified as per international classification are as follows: bulbs, tubers, and tuberous roots. Live plants include trees, shrubs, bushes, rooted cuttings, and slips. Cut flowers and flower buds, fresh or dried, dye, bleach, etc. Cut foliage, branches, and other parts other than flower or buds of trees, shrub, bushes, and other plants, that is twig, grasses, shoot, etc. Mosses, lichens, and grasses, fresh or dried or bleach. Dry flower, pigments, natural colors, essential oils, prepared or processed food products like gulkan, gulrogan, pankhuri, etc. Seed production of different seasonal flowers. Classification of flowers based on season of growing. Summer season annuals. Zinnia, Cochia, Portulaca, Tithonia, Gaillardia, Gomphrena, Sunflower, Daisy, etc. Rainy season annuals. Balsam, Coxcomb, Celosia, Gaillardia, etc. Winter season annuals. Antirrhinum, China aster, cornflowers, larkspur, sweet sultan, phlox, verbena, candytuft, petunia, etc. Based on flower color. White flowering. Antirrhinum, alizum, dianthus, China aster, zinnia, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, gerbera. Purple, lavender or blue color flower. Daisy, rose, carnation, dahlia, ageratum, China aster, clitoria. Delphinium, Petunia, Viola, Verbena, Tithonia, Torrenia, Daisy, etc. Yellow or orange color flower. Antirrhinum, Marigold, Calendula, Zinnia, Gaillardia, Rose, Gladiolus, Carnation. Red pink, Antirrhinum, Rose, Gladiolus, Carnation, Gerbera, Dahlia, etc. Based on the purpose of growing. Rockery, Ageratum, Alizum, Brachicum, Phlox, Portulaca, Linium, Nemesia, Saponaria, Cordaceae, Euphorbia. These are used for rockery. So, flowers used for hanging basket. Dwarf Ageratum, Petunia, Portulaca, Verbena, Torrenia, Begonia. Aging or beds or for path. Dwarf Ageratum, Alizum, Brachicum, Dianthus, Nigella, Portulaca, Pansy, etc. Fragrant flowers. Sweet Alizum, Sweet Sultan, Sweet Pea, Stock, Phlox, Carnation, Rose, Jasmine, Tuberose. For bedding purpose, Dahlia, Marigold, Phlox, Verbena, Carnation, Petunia, Ice Plant, Candytuft, Balsam, Portulaca. Some of the flowers aromatic in nature: rose, jasmine, tuberose. For pots, carnation, chrysanthemum, dahlia, rose, antirrhinum, petunia, aglaonema, alocasia, anthurium, orchids, arillea, begonia, chlorophytum, dracaena. For loose flower, marigold, jasmine, crossandra, barleria, chrysanthemum, China aster, sunflowers, zinnia, gaillardia, rose, dahlia. For making dry flowers, statice, helichrysum, acroninum, gomphrena, limonium, marigold, rose, lady's lace, nigella. For hedge purpose, Lawsonia, duranta, ticoma, Bougainvillea, Thevetia, Hibiscus, Murraya, Dadonia, Acalipa, Aurelia, Epatorium, Clerodendron species, etc. Cut flowers or modern roses. Cut flowers or modern roses. Rose, chrysanthemum, carnation, gerbera, anthurium, orchids, gladiolus, tuberose, etc. Based on nature of growth. Annuals. Nasturtium, ice plant, hollyhock, sweet pea, annual chrysanthemum, carnations, cornflower, sweet alyssum, dahlia, marigold, verbena, phlox, calendula. For perennials, rose, jasmines, crossandra, anthurium, orchids, chrysanthemum, parleria, hibiscus, gerbera, carnation, and bulbous crop. Based on the mode of propagation, bulbous plant, cormulus plant, rhizomatous plant, tuberiferous plant. In bulbous plant, lily, narcissus, tulip, tuberose, cormulus plants, gladiolus, crocus, rhizomatous plants, canna, iris, tuberiferous plants, dahlia. Based on their use or purpose, traditional flowers. They are offered in religious and social ceremonies, used as a adornment by women, and offered for worship at home as well as in temples. Examples are jasmines, rose, mumps, marigolds, crossandra, tuberose, barleria, galeridia, etc. Non-traditional flowers, they are referred to as a cut flowers or modern flowers. Generally, flowers are harvested along with long stem or stalk. Examples: high-tech roses, Dutch roses, gerbera, carnation, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, orchids, anthuriums, goldenrods, bird of paradise, limonium, lateris, stock, etc. Industrial flowers or value-added flowers. They are used as a raw materials in industries for extraction of essential oil and also preparation of some edible products like gulrogan, pigments as a natural colors, and also dry flowers. Examples are tuberose, jasmine, rose, marigold. So this was all about the classification of flowers according to their use and purpose. Thanks for watching.